Hi there, I'm Amy, and if you're looking to rebuild your core safely and effectively after pregnancy, then this class is for you. All right, let's get started. Let's come onto all fours, and we're starting with a half cat-cow. Just the cat. So from here, head in line with the spine, let the belly button pull you up, scoop the belly, curve the spine, head towards your lower belly, and then come back to your neutral spine. So don't arch. Exhale, scoop, feel the core engage, and release. Scoop, push through the shoulders, and soften and release. Nice. Belly button pulls you up, feel the stretch in the shoulders, pelvis tilts, and release. 4 more times. Scoop, keep that core really strong. And release. And scoop. And release. Last 2. And scoop. Core strong. And release. Last 1. And scoop, scoop, scoop. And release. Good. From here, tuck the toes, shoulders strong. Inhale. Exhale, knees off the mat. Belly button into the spine. Engage it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to do this 2 more times. Lift those knees off for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Last time. Shoulders strong. Exhale. Knees off. Hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Untuck the toes. Move the shoulders, move the upper body. Then from here, still staying on all fours, extend the right leg behind you, make sure the hips are parallel. And then from here, lift the leg to just above 90. Exhale, bring the knee into the chest. Scoop the belly and extend it out. Exhale, scoop. So you really want to curve your spine and scoop the belly. And release. And scoop. Release. And scoop. Release. And scoop. Release. Try and get the knee into the chest. And release. Just pushing those few extra inches towards the chest really makes a difference. Let's do 4 more. 4. And out. And 3. And out. Last 2. And out. And 1. And out. And place it down. Same on the other side. Remember, you can always move your shoulders in between exercises if you're feeling them getting a little tense. Hips parallel again. And we lift it up. Exhale, scoop. And reach. Really let the belly button lead you. And reach. Exhale, scoop. And reach. And scoop. And reach. In. Good. Exhale on the scoop. Release. Last 4. In. And out. In. And out. Last 2. And out. And 1. And out. Good. Sit onto your heels, shoulders away from the ears, and then swing the legs around. Palms facing in towards the glutes. And then from here, shoulders strong. Inhale. Exhale. Push yourself up into your reverse plank. Hold it here for 8, 7, keep the belly button pulling in, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And sit it down. 2 more rounds. Deep breath in, exhale, push yourself up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Last round. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, push yourself up. Good. Hold it for 8. Make sure those shoulders are pulling away from the ears. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And gently melt it down and come onto your mat. Good. Your feet are hip width apart. Palms pressing down towards the mat. And now just very gently walk your feet all the way down the mat and then come back to about 1.5 feet away from your glutes and all the way down. Feel how your lower belly starts to engage really gently. Maybe you want to even place a hand onto your belly and just feel those muscles gently start to engage and light up. Good. In, 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 out, out, lighting up. Bring them back in. Let's do 4 more. In, 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 out, 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 in, out, 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 in, and last one, step it out, out, and in. Now exhale, pull the belly button towards the spine. Let the lower back really imprint on the mat, and then release it. So again, we're kind of scooping the belly and then finding our neutral spine. Let's just do that 4 times with a deep exhalation. Release. Exhale. Release. 2 more. Release. Last one. Pull the belly button down. Attach it to the mat. Good. And then from here, keeping this engagement, the lower back flat on the mat, lift one knee up to tabletop and then press it down. Left leg lifts, press it down. Lift it up and down and up and down and up and down. Good. Lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. Good. We're going to do 8 more. Lift it. 8 and down. 7. Keep that belly button pulling in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the right knee in the air. Interlock the hands behind the head. Now from here, let's lift the left elbow and try and touch the right knee and down. Exhale, twist and lower. Exhale, twist and lower. And twist and lower and twist and lower. We're going to do 4 more. 4 and down. 3 and down. Keep the belly button pulling in. 2 and down and 1, and just hold it. Extend the arm, and now from here just reach for 8, reach for 7, reach for 6, reach for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and melt it down for a second. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Interlock the hands behind the head, lift the left knee off the mat this time. And it's the right elbow that meets the left knee. And down. Exhale, twist. And down. We're doing 7 more. Twist. And down. And twist. And down. 4. And lower. Really try and twist, get those obliques lighting up. 2 more. And down. And 1. Hold it. Extend the right arm and reach. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And melt it down for a moment. Really good. Deep breath. And from here, let's turn it onto our side. Place the right elbow underneath the shoulder. And from here, we're going to step it into a side plank. First, keeping the knee onto the mat. Lift yourself up. You can keep your hand on your hip and then just dip the hips down and lift and lower and lift and lower and lift and lower. And lift and lower, up and down, up and down. Last 2, 2 and 1. Reach the arm up, twist and reach it up. So we're really threading the needle and lift, twist and lift, twist and lift. Last 4 and up, 3 and up, 2 more, 2 and up, and 1 and up. Gently melt it down. Sit yourself up, swing your legs around, and let's do the same thing on the other side. Knee comes onto the mat. You can have your hand on your hip and then push yourself up nice and high. You really want to feel it here. And dip it down. Lift it up and down. Lift, down, lift, down, and lift. 4 more. 4 and up. 3 and up. 2 and 1. Extend the arm. Now weave it through and lift. Exhale and up. Exhale and up. Exhale, weave. Really try and twist the spine. Last 2 and lift. Last 1 and lift and sit it down. Good. Come into a seated position. Whatever feels comfortable for you. Maybe you want to sit on your knees, on a chair, or with one leg crossed in front of the other. And you can gently place your hands onto your belly. And let's do our 360 breath. So let's inhale. Exhale. Pull the belly button in towards the spine. And imagine that with your pelvic floor, you're lifting up. You're really pulling it up as if you were picking up a tissue this way. Inhale, expand. Imagine that you're breathing into the rib cage. Exhale, pull the belly button in. Good, expand. Exhale, belly button pulls in, lifting up from the bottom, all coming together, and expand. And release the pelvic floor with your inhalation. Exhale, bring it back together. Core really strong, and release. Last time. And release. All right, that's all we're doing today. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care and hopefully see you soon for another class.